Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's a beautiful Friday, and I'm down here in downtown Jim Thorpe in front of the Reading Blue Mountain and Northern F units, number 270 and number 275. I had come down here to chase 2102, and now that has departed town. And because it's such a beautiful day, I do want to take some good photos of these F units up close while I have the chance. That's been on my bucket list for a while. And guess what, guys? I just had a really cool encounter with Andy Muller himself after 2102 pulled out of the station. I had just shut off my video, but I had a really nice chat with him. Wonderful guy, and he has done so much to run and preserve and restore these old locomotives. Andy, all of us rail fans and all of us YouTubers, we really appreciate everything you do. It's really rare to find somebody who runs a company that's as passionate about the fun stuff and the fun side of it as you are, and I think it shows. And you know, this is a bucket list item for me too here. I have not ridden behind these F units at all yet. I did catch them in action once here when I was up biking. They had come in with what I believe was a private excursion that day, and they had parked them at the station for the night. I'll put a link to that video above. That's the only time I've seen them run. So it's a little hard to film this side. I'll do a walk by, but you can see there's a line of cars between here and the locomotives. So I've done my walk around, and I will add in a photo montage because I think I'm going to be able to get better photo than I am video of these. And I just want to say thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you down the tracks.